एक रास्ता आहा आहा दो राही. You know the song? राम बलराम बाबा, अमिताभ धर्मेंद्र.
आपकी आवाज में बहुत सरलता है लेकिन आप आदमी सुअर हो.
If you stayed in a slum, think about how much money you could save today.
It's kind of expensive because during rains you just like nicely pray, hey please मेरी दीवार नहीं गिरनी चाहिए. I mean sure you save a lot of money but
Every monsoon is as bad as South Bombay.
oh my god.
We also suffer here.
Yeah.
देखो भैया देखो pothole.
Yeah, I mean data suggests something else but sure yeah.
I think he's going to spit on me by the end of the show.
I'm not gonna spit on you,
So much
dude.
disrespect. Isn't it? चूतिया कहाँ से आ गया?
I'm
Why
not
am I
gonna
with
spit
him?
on you.
ADHD will take over.
I think he did this pull up is because muscle memory. He spends a lot of time in gym, right? So what do you do when you see
Yeah, you see a bar.
Yeah, a bar.
Good idea. What if you pass a toilet shop with a glass? Do you fire away? I mean, what is that? I mean, muscle memory है. Footpath has to be removed because pedestrian doesn't use footpath. See, I speak from a motorist point of view. Now, pedestrians never. They walk on the road and they look at you. It's a dominance. It's like bencho, ये मेरा road है. तू जा तेरा गाड़ी वहाँ जाओ, pavement पे जाओ. Okay, Cyrus says time. I have Balram here. And I want to start Balram by singing a song from my childhood. एक रास्ता आहा आहा दो राही. You know the song? राम बलराम बाबा, अमिताभ धर्मेंद्र.
I'm like
एक चोर एक सिपाही आहा. See how old we are now? I hope you're allowed to sing this. I'm not sure about the rules and law and all.
I'm from 1994 so
Bro, I thought they named you how to sing the picture.
No, so the family lore is they named me after this film. 94 में I was born and 93 में there was this film called
Okay, I'm going to have a heart attack because 94, I'm talking about 80s, huh? Ram Balram.
Yeah, exactly.
94, I think Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol all that started acting.
So the family lore says that there's this film called Khalnayak.
Yeah, of
Sanjay
course.
Dutt. Yeah, his name is Balram and his
Sanjay
gunda-
Dutt. Sanjay Dutt's
yeah,
character.
Sanjay Dutt's name and his
The
like
guy goes to jail in the middle of the shooting, huh?
so
it
his,
wasn't a
his
good
proper
period for him,
yeah,
I'm saying. So
proper name is Ballu Balram. So my real name is Balram and my pet name at home is Ballu. So I mean that is the lore.
wow, Balram. But a very interesting story. Balram's rise to fame. You started very humble beginnings.
Yeah, I was working.
Why are you crying?
I'm crying because I did
Of
not
my
sleep
singing.
enough. No. This coffee helps. Anyways.
Yeah. Whoever's the last guest, we just carry on with the same coffee. Just kidding. So, in the beginning, you were in a slum.
हाँ मतलब there's a slum in Jogeshwari. It's called Bhairam Bagh.
Some people say Jogeshwari itself is a
Jogeshwari itself is a, yeah.
emotional
नहीं, वहाँ पे अलग अपना
suburban bashing.
वहाँ पर अपना इंदिरा गांधी का
Careful or
hear me out.
हाँ.
इंदिरा गांधी का यूटोपिया है जहाँ पे मैं रहता हूँ because there's this Parsi locality, there's Muslim locality, there's from North India, there's a bunch of Hindus from Maharashtra.
We Hindus are always divided, yaar.
There's also a church in that locality.
Oh, nice.
So,
It's like a Manmohan Desai film.
that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Dude. Like,
So you grew up thinking this is real India. क्या पता? Then he stepped to Borivali and realized the difference. Yeah.
no. Yeah, so that's about it. So my dad had a small workshop, grill
So
workshop.
you literally grew up in a slum.
Yeah, dude.
Wow. I'm saying that with respect. I'm not saying that, oh, you got to slum. I'm like, that's fantastic. What a story. But you realize one thing, if you stayed
Dude,
in
there's
the-
like 60% Mumbaikars live in slum, dude. So
Okay, stop it. Stop flashing. What I'm thinking is that if you stayed in a slum, think about how much money you could save today. Or is it expensive? God knows what a slum costs.
it's kind of expensive
Yeah.
because
Just sounds like that. It's cheap. Yeah.
before monsoon you have to clean the roof and that takes about 5k. Then during rains you just like nicely pray, hey please मेरी दीवार नहीं गिरनी चाहिए. And there's some water randomly coming from the floor.
Wow.
So not a great experience. I mean sure you save a lot of money but
Every monsoon is a bit as bad as South Bombay.
oh my god.
We also suffer here.
Yeah.
देखो
Yeah,
भैया देखो pothole.
I've seen Ayan Mukherjee films so I know.
Oh wow! What are you? That's so mean, yeah. Who knows what his background is before the films? Maybe he struggled.
I don't know.
Oh, we don't know. We shouldn't do that. That's really mean. No, I'm just kidding. But tell us a little bit about yourself before we start.
Earlier, I worked with Filter Copy. Then I worked with Devaya Bopanna in All Things Small. Then I did a couple of things here and there. Started my own agency and everything. But the agency still exists. We are still working in that agency. But I've had decent people, so मेरे को कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता है. So I'm like, अभी मैं क्या करूँ बैठ के? Very good problem to have.
सेठ बन गया अभी.
हाँ.
You sit at
You
home
don't
and
see
collect
this
the
or
money.
what? Yeah.
Wow. Fantastic. Who are these decent people who are working for you?
There's a guy called Samit Chaudhary. Then there's a guy was Hitesh Pardeshi. He's my business partner.
Okay.
Samit Chaudhary is my business partner. There's a bunch of other writers and interns that we have.
Bro, so you're quite the entrepreneur. You're not just a funny person who makes comments which you should be
हाँ
worried
मतलब
about.
man has to pay his bills, right?
True.
हाँ मतलब if you don't come from South Bombay, Malabar Hill,
South
like,
we have no money, Baba. We just pretend to have money. We are like Delhi on a bad day, honestly. It's not good. But so right now, what's going on?
right now
new
I
project?
am working for this US-based law firm.
Who is this guy?
Okay, so so little disclaimer. I have this thing. When you get rich, you start going for therapy, and when you start going for therapy, they tell you cool words that they say this is you. You know, this is happening to you. So this thing very cliche. It's called ADHD. So I have that. I'm on meds and everything. So the problem with ADHD is every 6 months you change your career or you do something completely different because you get bored with the last thing.
Also not good for relationships, no? You're with Sunita and 2 months later you're like, I can't bear this.
That actually happens a
I'm
lot,
sure.
dude. Yeah. But then your therapist tells
So do you have a girlfriend?
I do have a girlfriend.
But how long?
अभी टाइम हो जाएगा बट
टाइम हो जाएगा मतलब how
मेरे को
much?
नहीं बताने का यार
एक साल 2 साल 6 महीना कुछ तो दे दो. But I want to prove your ADHD to be rubbish. If you're seeing her for a full year, Abhay sir, can you just endorse this product? 1 year you're with the same girl, how do you have ADHD?
She does not like me talking about relationships.
Okay, but you can talk about time. I've not asked for the name.
Still nothing around that.
Can't even say that. Who are you married? This is Donald Trump's sister. Who's this person?
It's a therapist, dude.
You're married with a therapist?
Not my therapist. There's some another therapist. Yeah.
Oh, God.
So okay, I have a lot of therapists in my life
Why?
because I also you're not ready for this. I also have a support group for ADHD folks. So we meet like a Sunday church. We meet every Sunday between 11 to 1 and then we
I
discuss.
don't want to be
about-
insensitive, but the Parkinson's thodi hai. I mean, it's just ADHD. I mean, really. I've seen people suffer, but
Dude,
is it that bad?
old uncles hang out at those gym khanas all the time and discuss things, and it's the same thing here.
Okay, you just wanted a group to hang with.
Yeah. So you just like there's every 6 months you change your profession and everything like that. So I was working with Aam Aadmi Party, then I worked with this organization called Collective.
Collective,
then
the
CCL,
talent management
The talent
company,
management.
yeah.
I worked with them for like 4-5 months, then got bored.
Completely different areas.
Dude, I worked with pharmacy as well.
Why? Oh, you like that kind of thing.
It just comes. Anything is happening. I'm like, hey, मेरे को इसका हिस्सा बनने का है. I want to be a part of this.
So with the ADHD, you got this where you get caught
Yeah.
into the world of something new.
Yeah, anything.
Huh.
So if tomorrow you say, hey, I'm doing this random project, that is completely different from
Could you
my.
turn gay because of this? I mean, because just for the novelty factor?
Well, brother, that's. I'm staying 20 feet away from that. Yeah.
You need another therapist now. You haven't
Anyways.
explored that. So you have a lot of therapists, huh? Is it?
I mean, I have my therapist. अभी 4 बजे उसके साथ मेरा है, ठीक है.
Your whatever session.
हाँ, सेशन है उसके साथ 4 बजे का.
हाँ.
And अभी ये this whatever.
He's there.
No, my mom made some food for my partner, and so she lives in Khar. So my mom was like, if you're going to Bandraj, can you just give this to her? So
You one second. Let's understand his day is not an easy day. He's come all the way here near Bandra police station. Now he has to go and deliver food like Zomato to his girlfriend, which his mom has sent. So both sides he's screwed. He can't say no.
Yeah.
And then he has to meet the therapist,
yeah, I have to meet my therapist.
which is a personal therapist for you or this is for the
Personal
support?
therapist for me.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I have to start my day because I'm working for
Mr.
this.
Vishwakarma, how old are you?
I'm 32.
32. Think about 64. Double the age. What the hell are you going to do?
I have no idea.
Bro, you got 5 therapists. You're doing Zomato on the side. You're talking to his old uncle for no reason here. I mean, what kind of life is this, boss? I'm just
Yeah,
looking.
it's very random all the time. For example, this my current job that pays me the most amount of money. I'm working for this US
Yeah, I cut
US
you there.
based law firm. I'm the community manager there. So my days are like I start at 8 p.m. in the night and then I end at 4 a.m. in the morning. But at the same time, I also have a day job because this law firm can be a little monotonous and थोड़ा creative juices बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं. So I'm also working with this woman called Ishita.
Does your girlfriend know?
My girlfriend knows, dude. My girlfriend and Ishita are pretty cool. Anyways, so I'm also working as an assistant editor for this lady, and I'm like writing a couple of articles and everything for her, and we are building something like.
When do you sleep?
That's a very good question. This is why my eyes are red and like puffy and ऐसा रो रहा हूँ तो लोग तो
I just thought genetics here. I would not go that far. What's the big deal? We all look different. इसमें क्या है?
I mean,
Just a
6, 7,
shell.
4-5 hours a day, and
That's it?
Yeah, and then Saturdays को I look forward to Saturdays because I can sleep.
दारू पीता?
नहीं, my meds don't allow me to drink alcohol.
What meds are you taking now? For ADHD?
Yeah, it's called
Brother,
atomoxetine.
screw this cock and bull. This is a therapy session, right?
Yeah, it's called atomoxetine. It's a non-stimulant drug.
What does it do to calm you?
Yeah, to calm myself.
Oh.
And then it also comes with It's like Star Wars my Jedi. How do you spell that?
Jedi.
JD folks. They always come in like set of 2. So with ADHD,
Jedi the Star Wars?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So-
I'm trying to keep up, man.
so with ADHD also it can be anxiety, it can be depression or something like that. So I'm on those meds.
So what do you have?
Right now I'm on anxiety meds, but that's about it.
But the anxiety, is there a reason for it? There's no reason.
There's a proper reason for that.
No, what I mean is specific reasons cause anxiety or it's just anxiety?
Just in general, with how the things are in society and everything. मतलब इधर उधर की बातें. So
Like, I'm very worried about losing my memory, and then what if I still remember my wife? You know, the whole. So these issues, you know. Okay, sorry. Shall we start? Shall we start?
yeah.
The girlfriend's name? एक बार try किया तो.
मेरे को
Okay,
इतना
so
मार के वो लड़की.
bro, you're doing Zomato delivery right now. Look at the way they're treating you. Bridge of a bottleneck, the Mira Bhayandar flyover is turning head. So that you know this, no? The 4 becomes 2 basically, which is reverse engineering. Generally, because I mean it's just simple maths for a child. Also, when you have 4, you can't make it 2 because then the supply demand is madness.
But I think that Babus will find out one very decent reason around that. I'll tell you why. Because once upon a time, I think it was the PM, Honorable PM Sir, who came to Mumbai and.
इतना मत बोलो. Honorable
okay.
is enough. Honorable PM
Yeah,
sir,
yeah.
the greatest of all time, Shri Sarji.
Yeah. So
I mean,
he came to Bombay and there was a clusterfuck of traffic and there was an ambulance stuck in the traffic. And ambulance was blaring.
with somebody in bad situation.
Here's the best part. No one knows that because some guy just recorded that ambulance fasa hua hai, tan, to, tan,
Bam,
to, chal
bam,
raha hai.
bam.
Anyways, so next day it created a scene, right? Everyone was like outraged. What the hell is happening? So they just conveniently said that the ambulance driver actually forgot how to turn off that siren. There was no one inside the ambulance. And I think that's a fucking good
But can I tell you,
excuse.
during the 93 riots, because we had to come back from Chennai from a play, and also in COVID, etc., a lot of ambulance guys, if you can find them and you can talk to them directly, they just ferry you up and down like a taxi. People use it all the time. All you have to do is, no one is call your bluff, no. बैठ गया अंदर तो बैठ गया अंदर.
बैठ गया तो
Who's
बैठ
going to
गया.
come up and say, boss, are you dying? Come on. It's not funny. So this has been used a lot. So it's not impossible, these kind of situations.
हो सकता है, see?
Where, no, I'm saying where it was not an emergency, but the thing was on. But having said that, I mean, you can't take a chance.
So yeah, Babus are very good with excuses. So अगर वो 1 to 4, 4 to 1 जो भी whatever you know 4 से 2 हो रहा है, suicide highway whatever
Door
that
to
is,
punch. Is that where we're going?
they will find a decent reason for that.
Yeah. No, I think the whole point is that the answer was from the BMC and the authorities was that we know what we are doing. It's not, y'all are just making fun, but we know because, it opens up again after that.
And the problem is
But
I
we have
don't
to
trust them.
No, but bottleneck is very simple. Now, when big becomes small, it's just a bottleneck. I mean, in South Mumbai, we've had this all our lives. So you'd think as you go to the suburbs of Mumbai, you'll get it right because you're getting a chance to rebuild where we don't do it here. But this is where it is. People in Mira Bhayandar have become very cynical. They may join your therapy group.
They come actually.
What are you saying?
Yeah. So
Bridge की वजह से.
dude, so I have this
Man
studio.
is completely destroyed mentally because of one fucking bridge.
No, I do have a friend, Sushant. He lives in Mira Road. He bought an apartment there for like 35-40k, for 35-40 lakhs, 1 BHK. He hates that place so much that he always like constantly tells me कि bro मेरे को निकलने का है, मैं ये वाला रेंट पे लगा के वापस अंधेरी आ जाऊंगा. He's not happy in Mira Road.
Yeah, but the whole idea is when they build the bridge, you expect that there'll be some sort of vikas at the end of it. Nah?
Dude, I don't trust these people at all because maybe the builder was not happy. Like the builder near the site or something. Like some shady, you know.
But we have a horrible bridge record. Yeah, Gokhale Bridge is there, Elphinstone Bridge is there. There are 3-4 more bridges. I can't remember the names.
Exactly. So when MMRDA
Last
says...
2 years, 3 years, I'm talking about. Not talking about for 40 years ago.
So when MMRDA says that we know what we're doing, I just want to hold their hand and say, look, dude, you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, bridge mat banao. Look at some other style. The structure is beyond us. Let's not get into it.
I mean, dude, it's so fucked up when the bridge record is so fucked up when that Elphinstone thing happened. You know, stampede happened.
Yeah.
Like a bunch of folks died. But Lower Parel and everything.
Correct.
Changed the station name and
immediately.
whatever.
Yeah. But one of the reasons given by the babus there or officials there was bad luck. Bad karma है इसमें तो नाम को बदलना चाहिए because the bad luck is with the name. So now I'm not like this is the way Indians think anyway. So it's not him. This is the way we think every time something goes wrong. You know, you just associate.
So they had to get in army folks to make a simple railway walkover bridge because they were so incompetent to do it on their own. And when the bridge got completed, they actually made army folks to wear the complete uniforms and do a little parade on it for photo ops to show people that, look guys, we got the army people to make this bridge. It's not us this time, it's the army people. So you better trust them. So this is the same people who are telling us
But
ki...
what would have been perfect is if it was reserved for military only. After that, no one else could use the bridge. So all the Palestinians are saying, "Jawan nahi hai, fuck off." But that brings me to another lovely story. I don't know if it's mentioned here about traffic being eased in Mumbai from Feb 1st, where they're saying all heavy vehicles have to not use the working hours. Different areas are
stupid. It's fucking stupid.
No, heavy vehicles. Look, if you drive from outside Mumbai and you get behind a truck or a tempo, boss, your life changes. You have ADHD. You don't know how bad it is. I break down because you get past one truck with great difficulty, और आगे दूसरा truck आ गया. You get past that truck, then आगे एक और tempo आ गया.
So what they did in 2025 January, New York, what they did was Manhattan में अगर आपको घुसना है, then you have to pay $5 or $6.
घुसना है मतलब?
If you have a car and you're entering Manhattan, Manhattan is an island, right?
Yeah.
If you have to enter Manhattan, you have to pay $5, $6 or something like that. So that actually made people like middle class, low middle class folks. US very car driven society, so everyone has a car. So a lot of folks dumped their car, like किधर साइड में लगा दिया, like गोरेगांव टाइप्स इक्विवेलेंट में, and then
so you're saying stop the influx of traffic by putting a toll there.
And you know what happened there? The traffic decreased in Manhattan and more people were walking because more people were walking. यार अगर तू बांद्रा मार्केट में चल रहा है, if you're in a car, there is very less possibility of you putting your car on parking, get out of the car, go inside the shop and buy things and go back. It's too much of a hassle because पीछे पैं करने लगेगा कोई, ठीक है. But if you're walking, you're free to do whatever you're supposed to do. Businesses actually increased in Manhattan, like the amount of businesses that were supposed to open. It was a fantastic thing that happened. They were hoping to get about $500 million. They got a little more than $500 million. That is what you do in a decent society.
Trump administration. Don't say anything.
No, it was New York.
Last year,
No, it मतलब
New York अच्छा.
State government तो लोग का वो है ना, क्या बोलते हैं, Congress equivalent whatever.
Before Mamdani. Can't remember who. Cuomo or whatever. Can't remember.
Not even Cuomo. I think. Yeah, maybe it's Cuomo.
Can't remember. Yeah. Can't remember Mumbai. I will remember
So
New York.
that is what you do when you have to ease traffic. You have to ensure that the cars are not
अपना
inside.
जो specific issue जो है वो अलग है, slightly अलग है, and वो है कि we have old trucks and tempos which are from the 70s. You see Ashok Leyland, you see the names and all. They're Horn, okay, please. That's from another zamana. Your grandfather's zamana. They have not improved at all. You got all the snazzy cars, bikes, scooters and all, and modern buses and all from 2010 onwards. So the capacity of this car and the capacity of this car is very different here. So it's like they can't live together. It's almost impossible. So वो चढ़ नहीं सकता है truck ना. Come to my area where there are hills and all. They get stuck in the middle traffic jam. And there's a Patharput. This is going on for 40 years. Patharput underneath. I mean, suddenly it's medieval India again, you know. And then we're all waiting, praying, कि पीछे मत आजा, if you're the guy at the back.
But that's what government wants you to believe, that trucks are the evil or heavy vehicles are the evil. The evil
So
are
what do we
basically
do then?
the cars are evil, dude. So I mean,
Bro, you're a socialist here. I'm getting scared.
आपने थोड़ा सा भी research नहीं किया क्या? नहीं, I'm just giving you an example that your forefathers were in Bombay, right? So you would know.
I had one father, but yes.
Forefathers, bro.
You बोलो forefather नहीं था, एक ही father.
FOUR नहीं.
FOU yourself. What is you abusing me?
Anyway, so Mumbai has been very public
see
transport
Hindi
driven
films from
cities.
70s, 80s. You'll see the city is really pretty and there's lots of space.
And there are less cars on the city.
Less cars, obviously.
Yeah.
कहने का मतलब क्या है
इस कमरे में भी कितने लोग हैं?
Too many.
4, 5, 6 लोग हैं बराबर.
But I like women, so women can stay. This old man and that guy out.
So, dude, 6 people can move around आराम से.
हाँ.
But if you put like 50 people in this room, can they move nicely?
We'll
from
find
one
out.
corner
We're trying to do one show like that.
You can't. That's exactly what is happening with the roads. You have too many cars on the roads.
You're saying it's not about the machinery, it's about the numbers.
It's about the numbers. It's always about the
क्या
numbers.
करेगा फिर?
I was giving you the
आप
New
लोग
York.
ने आप पार्टी ने क्या किया दिल्ली में?
Or even.
हाँ, so you want to do that?
It worked.
It did not really work, यार.
मतलब थोड़ा सा इन्फ्लक्स खत्म हो गया ना ट्रैफिक का.
You think?
भाई अभी तुमको बता रहा हूँ मैं, इलेक्शन के पहले ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सर बेसिकली सेड दैट खाने
तारीफ का लिमिट होता है.
आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग माय सेल्फ
वो तारीफ नहीं होता है फिर. ओवर तारीफ means it's not तारीफ.
Or there's some sniper out there. Anyway, so like just give an example, dude.
Don't mention political people ever again. We don't have time to complete the
Dude,
show.
so your Mira Road Thane folks who have car there, you're not supposed to tell them कि आप अपनी गाड़ी लेके आ जाओ मुंबई में. I have friends and family members in Mira Road and Thane, and I love them, and all due respect to them, you have to take the local train and come to the city, dude. You can't take your
Or the metro.
or the metro, anything, dude. Like public bus, whatever.
Options है अभी आजकल.
But what Honorable Chief Minister did was he actually removed the tolls. So there's no toll in coming to the city right
So
now.
encouraging the drive.
Encouraging drivers. और उसके बाद he says कि oh you know what guys, car is not the problem, trucks are the problem. भाई तुम रात के 12 बजे तुमको ट्रैफिक मिलेगी क्या? नहीं, but तुम्हें शाम को ट्रैफिक मिलेगी ना. And trucks are anyways not
Can I
allowed.
take the honorable chief minister aside for a second? The trucks are you don't self-drive. Are you self-driving?
No, I'm not
If you
self-driving.
self-drive, you'll understand, boss. They just hold up everything. Trucks, rickshaws in the suburbs with their strange driving techniques, motorbikes going up one ways and breaking all the laws. These are the biggest criminals. I have to support my car people. Car people. Huh.
Anyways, yeah, I mean, data suggests something else, but sure, yeah.
I think he's going to spit on me by the end of the show.
I'm not gonna spit on you,
So much
dude.
disrespect. Isn't it? Chutiya kahan se aa gaya?
I'm
Why
not
am I
gonna
with
spit
him?
on you.
ADHD will take over. Arey, 22 minutes. We've only done.
Yeah, anyways,
So let's
yeah.
go to the budget. Let's take a look. Let's not take a look. We've already taken a look.
Oh.
Did you study the budget at all?
Yeah, I did.
Huh?
Cigarettes are gonna be expensive. So.
Yeah, and alcohol also. But
Alcohol.
you're not allowed. But
I'm
what
not
about
allowed.
pharmacy? But cancer drugs came down. But I don't know about the others.
Yeah, cancer.
Your mind
it's fine.
drugs, whatever they called.
नहीं वो तो 40 रुपए के आते तो उसका उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है तो.
वो तो ऐसा ही ड्रग्स है या सच में ड्रग्स है?
नहीं
40 रुपए में क्या मिलता है?
so,
हॉल भी नहीं मिलेगा.
there are American drugs
They
that are
put some
Indian
funny
drugs.
Greek name like the Anzubasivasi and the guy is like, yeah, this is a cure for cancer. I'll just take this.
Totally, man. This is exactly what happens. So, some things I really liked about the budget sessions.
Like her sari.
Like the Mumbai-Pune high-speed rail network project that they are planning.
Oh, okay.
That was really nice.
I have to wait for it to bear fruit, but fair enough.
हाँ,
मैं
so-
बुलेट ट्रेन के इंतजार कब से कर रहा है अभी?
अरे जाएगा, मेरा लड़का जाएगा उसमें.
अच्छा, जाएगा मतलब?
अरे मतलब, my kids will travel in that. I don't
अच्छा.
think, my hypothetical future kids. Anyways,
Bro, I have to get your sarcasm. It takes me a little while. I'm old now. Huh.
that is the nice thing about it. But what I did not like was they made this entire thing where they said that they're gonna train a bunch of folks, 1 lakh folks in content and basically some industry. किसी भी industry में अगर आप if you're telling that you're training these people, you're supposed to
get
give them
write-offs, yeah.
a certain amount of stipend to these folks, and that becomes a very good breeding place for scams.
Yeah.
जैसे
For
CAG
Hawala transaction, a new style.
worse. CAG did an investigation on this thing called Skill India Mission. Skill India Mission is basically, for example, this organization, you can get 10 people.
How do you know?
Give an example.
No, it's a correct example. Keep going.
Get 10 people and government pays for these 10 people.
Right.
The training process
Right,
and everything and
right.
all that.
But we are a private organization. Government has to pay.
Any organization, yeah. For training these people.
training,
the Skill
yeah.
India movement. And CAG was like, dude, there's one organization that has been using pictures of Bihar, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, the same pictures uploading everywhere. Of the same 4 people, like वो शॉल वॉल में जैसा गाँव का फोटो रहता है तो सब जगह पे सेम फोटो जो 4 लोग हैं तो 2 लोग को क्रॉप करके एक फोटो में 2 लोग को क्रॉप करके एक फोटो में लाइक इट्स मैसिव स्कैम इज हैपनिंग सो आई थिंक दैट इज गोना हैपन
So the idea is good. Authentication is another story altogether. How to authenticate कि ये लोग come from a certain area or whatever.
if you're throwing a house party and if your thought process, your idea is, I trust these people, I think they're gonna only have like 2 drinks and then go back home, and then they come and then everyone is chugging alcohol all the time and creating a havoc. You can't say that, my intentions were nice, but
This happened at your party in Bangalore, guys. You guys had that big party. and
but
this
investigation, but execution was bad. It's just bad planning in general because you don't understand Indians in general. So
But on the other hand, they've given a lot of leniency to foreign investment and to NRIs and Desi guys abroad. That you can disclose your income over a period of time. You will not be, asked questions. A longer rope has been given and all that. So I'm thinking, whatever Masi wanted to do as an Indian abroad, we are being encouraged to do that. But here it's very clear that if you don't declare your income correctly,
you're screwed,
100%
basically.
fine. And blah,
But
blah,
also NRIs, I understand why they are always so happy because I started working with this law firm
The US firm,
in July, and that time the exchange rate was 87.
blah. Now 92.7.
Now 92 every single month I get a bonus of certain amount
Yeah.
from government of India because of the USD INR rate, and I'm like, oh wow, this is crazy.
Really? Imagine, before they were telling us to earn in dollars, now they'll say earn in dollar. It's enough. We don't need to actually, double it or anything. $1 काफी है. Wow, my son has got $1 today. He's doing really well. Yeah, it's a bit scary. Very scary, actually. But again, the budget, I have to read it thoroughly 200 times before I understand everything. The tax bracket, they make a big deal about the new tax slab and all that, but they haven't changed anything.
They haven't changed
It's the same thing, so I don't understand why I wait for April 1st to make the announcement and all. It's already there. And secondly, the issue with the tax is not the question of what the brackets are, so much as to whether you can cast the tax net wide and deep and catch people who are not paying tax still. High incomes I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
absolutely,
Yeah.
dude.
Small businessmen like ये दोनों हाँ.
Yeah, personal GST वाले.
Both of them are entrepreneurs. He runs workshops and all that, huge workshops, doing really well, making more money. I'm a camera person. And this gentleman is doing really well. He's starting, please go and check this out. It's called Swadesi Mela. It's the page is on Insta. Go check it out. Swadesi Mela, not she, Swadesi. So they've got all these indie bands coming and performing. Great, it's a great piece of production. So it's like, they're doing it, but they're doing it for very local talent, and there are some Indians from abroad who are also coming, but they're mostly NRIs who are trying to bring money in. But check it out, 14, 15, 16, no? Yeah. So they see Mela. Great. Yeah. So I was just saying, they're all doing all this on the side. I want them taxed. We don't know what people are doing.
That's not how it should work, right?
But they're going to clean up. He's going to make crores of rupees, this guy.
Yeah, and he's gonna distribute it within the bands.
Yeah, they'll find...
And the local money will be with local folks. And in all possibility, this guy, if I give him 50,000, he's gonna spend 40,000 in the local. दुकान वाले को दे देगा.
नहीं वो आप skills के बारे में आपने बात किया ना अभी.
हाँ.
How to government will sponsor the skills because you're raising society by getting them to learn the skills. So he's using that platform right now. They're saying they're all musicians who are being trained in a sense, and so the funding will come from the government. Boss, ये inside का game है. I have to figure this out. What's going on?
And who will decide the entire process of who gets government money and everything like that? There's a dedicated organization.
Of course.
I mean, he can't go directly to the government like, hey, I trained 6 guys. Can you pay for these 6 guys? That's not how it's gonna work.
They have a full NGO to help with people who don't grow. It's called something. Chota hai to kya? No, what is it, the NGO? It's all about really small people here.
Anyways, yeah.
Bro, I'm not lying, but people won't believe anything we are saying at the moment. Yeah. Anyway, here's another interesting tidbit. Actor Varun Dhawan received a warning from authorities following the circulation of videos online of him doing pull-ups. This is the great thing about all the rich people and fancy people and business community and all, who, when they take the metro, they make it sound like they have crossed the Ganges for the first time and found land or something, and then this pops up.
I like this comment. Metro में नहीं local train में करो, because this guy chose line 3, which is very empty comparatively. अगर तेरे हिम्मत है local train भी मत कर. ये जो वर्सोवा घाट के ऊपर का metro line
he won't be able to put his hand up. Forget pull up.
That was there.
But on the other hand, how quickly authorities want to take action and all that against people who are like famous or whatever for innocuous things. But when we have major issues, you won't be able to find anyone.
The same authority who was screaming कि hey Varun Dhawan, please ऐसा मत क्या करो ना guys. The same authority is responsible for Warsaw Andheri Ghat ke upar thing. Like increase more coaches, man. Let people smell their perfume for change instead of other people's armpits.
Yeah.
But I mean, priorities, man.
Although if that's your thing, I mean, you should be allowed to enjoy armpits also. I mean, there are people, we have fetishes. Like I like large size armpits.
No, but it's terrible, dude. Like if you're in Ghatkopar at 9 a.m. in the morning and you have to go to Andheri, आप वो जो ट्रेन लोगे, आपको सिद्धिविनायक के ट्यूसडे वाली लाइन से ज्यादा लाइन रहेगा वहाँ पे.
सिद्धिविनायक line is slightly more civil actually, because God is watching. A little bit better, yeah. The copulating you get in the train doesn't happen necessarily in the house of worship. Okay, but what's your point? What's your thoughts on his doing pull-ups?
I don't know, man was just happy.
He's having a good time. Yeah.
Guys, मैं public transport use कर रहा हूँ.
एक बार Olympics का जैसा 4 साल में एक बार.
I want some street creds, man. This is so cool.
He's a nice guy, but I'll give you my Varun Dhawan story.
No.
We were flying to Bangkok, Thailand somewhere for a family holiday 5-6 years ago. And so we were sitting, my children were young. So my son was sitting separately. I think me and my daughter were sitting on 2 seats, and then my wife was sitting separately. Whatever, the seats were odd. And suddenly I heard someone saying, no, can you please exchange, go and sit there. So some lady was telling him to get up. He was like 10 years old and go and sit there because, Varun Dhawan and Arjun are coming and all that. So apparently the 2 actors came and they were trying to move him from his seat. So I went like to fight with her. Beta pe haat lagaya. Not really, but now he'll be very happy if she did. But then Varun came and it was very sweet. He recognized me and he said, no, please, of course. So it was really nice. So I can't say anything bad about him. मेरे को बहुत भाव दिया. Of course, my son had no idea what was going on. Yeah.
But I think he did this pull-up is because muscle memory. He spends a lot of time in gym, right? Yeah. So what do you do when you see...
Yeah, you see a bar.
Yeah, a bar.
Good idea. So what if you pass a toilet shop with a glass? Do you fire away? I mean, what is muscle memory है. Same चीज़ है. Oh, what a good story that is. But I also think, when I was young, I used to think that whenever there's a bar, like a monkey, I would be like, can I hold it? Can I do a pull-up? It's not the worst
It's like
thing.
you see a sack of grains, right? And the first thing that comes to your mind is,
Really?
yeah, or maybe when you have a set of tongs with you, what do you do? Click, click.
Oh, I thought, check how much pain I can take.
We come from different realities.
Yeah. My problems are so different. Yeah, you have no idea. But also, you're young. 32 is nothing. There's no sense of organ failure. When you have that sense of organ failure, then your life changes completely.
Wow, what kind of
Everything. Top to bottom, not just chota chetan. Everything. You're worried about food, you're worried about peeing, you're worried about everything is a little hazardous.
It's like you eat mutton and the next thing you know is you're drinking Gelucils, bottles of Gelucils.
You're wondering if you're lactating because of that, because the connections are all over the place here. We'll take a break. 32 at 32. Yeah.
Wow.
So the show has a break and so that people come back. But when we take a break, nobody comes back. Let's see.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Balram Ji is back with us. Balram Ji sounds wrong. Balram Jaikar was a famous politician one time, 6'6" tall, by the way.
Who is this guy?
He was. Boss, I grew up many years ago, bro. Our references will be all over the place. So stop
How old are you?
I started with Ram Balram, you had no idea. One of the greatest Amitabh Bachchan Dharmender couplings in the history of the game. And nothing. Only my good friend Abhay sir from the same generation, we were singing the song and feeling like losers. Because we were on a metro or train, everybody staring at us. No? It's how fast the next generation just forgotten what's happened before.
How old are you though?
71.
Yeah.
54.
54, no shit.
Yeah, man.
I thought you were in your 40s.
You might have to hold me in a little while. Ready? Let's take a look. It was the same in 2014. It is the same in 2026. What exactly has changed in the last 12 years? This is that. Yeah, and this is just a normal day, right? I mean, let's.
You see this bunch of folks making a line here.
Yeah.
They want Trump entry inside the local train.
Yeah.
These people are like general entry folks and these are like Khatro Ke Khiladi folks.
Yeah.
So just let this train...
Not that we're encouraging it, but it's funny. Yeah.
Dude, imagine working 8 hours a day at a Lala company and then you are at the station and you want to go back home.
Really?
And you do this 6 times a week.
Yeah.
2 times a day. हाँ देखो ये देखो वहाँ से भर रहे हैं और यहाँ से चढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ से लड़के उतर भी रहे हैं basically.
At the same time.
At the same time.
Yeah.
And this is the constituency.
But I think this is an India issue. This is a DNA issue with Desi people. It's not to do with the Mumbai local train.
Cyrus, if I do not feed you for 3 days and I keep 6 gulab jamuns in front of you,
go mad.
And yeah, they're like 8 people or 10 people. Will the 10 people
It will
not
always be
fight
8
with
people
each
and
other?
6 gulab jamuns. That's why we are fighting. It's like the big boss thing. Always supply demand will be different.
Yeah, supply and demand will be different. Exactly, dude.
Yeah.
So you're telling people that this is a law and order issue. People do not have civic sense. Bhai sahab,
Can I just take it further?
Yeah.
So because this is a train traveler. What about a plane traveler? Plane traveler is as bad. In India, when you're traveling, the moment they announce the gate is open and they start boarding it for 50 to 71, who cares?
Yeah.
Sab log aa gaya line mein. So it's exactly the same thing. There's no difference. But when we go abroad, everything is different. Whether we're on train or metro or plane, we follow the rules.
nahi, matlab, I did use American Airlines and it was the same thing only.
No, not in Bombay. Once you boarding from that side, coming in.
हाँ नहीं मतलब I did
वहाँ पे नहीं कर सकता है वो.
वहाँ पे मैं मतलब गया था न्यूयॉर्क डिट्रॉइट वगैरह I did use
आने के time, did you just board when they said gate is open?
नहीं मतलब it was too complicated.
So they follow protocol and process.
Yeah,
No?
like if you're a serving member, please come.
all
and then,
that, yeah.
Like 7-8 naam le lenge.
yeah.
Anyways, but dude, this is clearly a problem of decentralization of businesses. That is the core issue. That सारे business अगर आप BKC में रखोगे, and there is nothing that you're gonna do in the satellite towns, then these people are gonna come.
Yeah.
The second thing is you're not focusing on the majority of the people. Just say you had a fantastic time coming from South Bombay to
This is
Bandra.
now. I've had a horrible time. I used to work in a company
now
called
you have
MTV.
now
Everything was in the suburbs. Baba, I suffered a lot.
Do you know how
Trying
much?
to find my way.
Dude, they spent like crores and thousands of crore rupees in catering to, like, I would say 2,000 people who travel from South Bombay to Bandra or Bandra to South Bombay. I don't know.
the guest.
But at the same time, you see these folks, you see that Versova.
There are also
Ghatkopar
women, which
folks.
you didn't mention. There were quite a few women trying to cross the tracks as well. It's
Dude,
not
and
like
these
the
ladies-
women's compartment is better.
Yeah, and these ladies have to not just अभी मर्द क्या है घर पे आएगा ऐसा उतारेगा गंजी में बैठ जाएगा. Dude, women have to go home,
And
make
continue
food,
working, yeah.
continue working, and like it's stupid, dude. So anyone who calls this spirit of Mumbai, it's
Don't say this loudly, because I don't want my wife and all to change. We'll do it for the next generation. Never again. Let's be clear.
so that's just depressing, dude. Like
No,
I
but I think
empathize
about our two young ladies who are the producers. I'm not clear who the producer is. I think their point of this whole thing is that it's more like that. कितने साल के बाद जो है वो है.
Yeah.
Because we're looking at my generation of when my friends
Yeah,
were taking trains in the 80s and all that in 90s.
Mm.
There's no real change. It's the same. If
Yeah.
anything, it's worse because the crowd is more. And there's, and I suppose they follow the culture. अपना जो subculture है वो वैसा ही है. You come there, even a foreigner will start doing this, right? You get someone from Australia, he'll come, he'll try to board the train. He'll see this is the culture, this is the option, or fuck off.
like scarcity वाला scene तो है. Day one you say you got a job, you live in Kalyan, you have to
It's not worth it.
go to Thane, like whatever, or Kurla, ठीक है. Day one you're very nice, you will give old people your place to sit, but then
very
you
good.
understand भाई
They
मेरे को
break your spirit.
हाँ मेरे को 1.5 घंटा खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा अभी. So maybe you will stop doing that from next time onwards. I mean, you're just making zombies
you're right,
out of
you're
humans.
spot on. It's just a matter of time before you break from being a godlike figure to another chutia in India trying to survive.
Hi, there are people who I think दीवा के आसपास में there's a car shed जहाँ से ट्रेन बाहर निकलती है प्लेटफॉर्म पे जाने के लिए. People have started entering the car shed so that they can sit in the car
Wow.
in the trains and then
That's like the lounge.
हाँ that's
That's the lounge. Indian
I'm like,
enterprise.
भाई इतना वेला कैसे हो सकता है कोई इंसान.
वेला नहीं है, ये planned है भाई. This is planning, not being a vela.
My theory, again, this Illuminati level theory is
Wow.
you basically make people so बोलते ना आप इतना लोगों को इन सब चीजों में बिजी रख दो that they do not have time to
Oh,
think.
conspiracy theory.
Yeah.
That
And because
majburi of normal day is so bad that we can't look at the world issues
No,
of India.
we can't think of why this is happening.
Yeah.
You just focus on, I have to get out of this, but you'll never get a chance to think, why is this happening? Who is doing this?
Sir, you are sounding very aap-like. Very
तो
clearly.
फर्क- थोड़ा
थोड़ा
तो-
left of center for sure.
थोड़ा तो फर्क पड़ता है ना, मतलब वो संगत से गुण आते हैं तो.
How did you like Kejriwal ji? Was he a good guy to...
He's a nice guy.
Yeah?
Like I
You
had
think
the
he
privilege
really-
of meeting
would
him
he make
twice
a
and thrice.
good leader for India? You think? Honestly.
Bare minimum decent. I would say the closest guy to Mamdani right now would be Kejriwal, Gaurav Chadha, these folks.
For mass side, you're saying.
For at least, if you're looking at urban India, Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore. So these people at least spoke about real issues. I mean, BMC elections happened last week, like last month. Tell me one person who spoke about roads and public transport and everything. Not a single person. हाँ, manifesto में तो आपने पेल दिया है 10-12 पन्ने का, but not a single person was. I was on ground, dude, and I.
Why
people-
didn't they?
Because it's easier to talk about Hindu, Muslim,
Acha.
caste,
all
class.
the non-tangible conversation you can have, but specific conversation where you can fix things and all. Don't talk about that.
It's like, dude, imagine 3 housing society है, वहाँ पे गटर बह रहा है, the security guard is stupid and everything and all that, and society elections are gonna happen.
The things
And
which can be changed, don't talk about.
so society secretary is scared and he's like, oh, you guys know B wing के सारे लोग ना हरामी है, so can we just be together A and C wing and we can beat the fuck out of B wing.
Weaving
folks.
is which community? Okay, stop it. All right. Akanksha goes from Ambernath all the way up and down. More than 2 hours each way.
There you go.
So I'm just saying कि the
We have a case study in front of you.
exactly 2026.
भाई आप कुर्सी लगा के बैठ जाओ यहाँ पर. Yeah.
And please give up Padma Shri just for traveling. Nothing less.
Like, you make her life so hard, dude. Like 4 hours a single day.
Yeah.
That's a loss of about.
For a
my-
young girl, I mean, starting her life,
imagine if
the
she's-
best years of her life, don't take her 4 hours away. Take her away when she's 50 and the life is already over.
Dude, imagine the kind of things people can do for 4 hours every
Exactly.
single day. They can write. They can.
Chalo, 1 घंटा पकड़ as actual thing, so 3 hours are left. But normal situation, 1 hour should be there for traveling, but 3 hours you take an extra.
Dude, you can watch like so many films. You can learn things.
Don't cry. We are just discussing it from an act of empathy.
I do all of that in train.
Yeah.
I watch films, I read books, I do everything.
She watches films, she reads books. She's also married
This
twice.
is normal. But no, but do you think this physically excruciating part
This
of
podcast
you
for the
coming
first time.
from Ambernath to Bandra every single day, do you think that is normal?
That is not
But she,
Yeah, but
Akanksha ji, if I can just take it further, before that you were with Fever, so she was anyway coming to Prabhadevi, South Bombay. Okay, so it's like,
Dude, I generally think people should not travel more than 10 kilometers, dude.
I think people should work from home. I've been saying it from the beginning.
I work from home and मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है. मेरी मौत आ जाती है. अभी बांद्रा आने में 3 अलार्म लगाना पड़ा कि भाई 9:30 बजे उठूंगा, ऑटो लूंगा.
She comes November, yaar. How can you talk like this, yaar?
नहीं, but she shouldn't be traveling so much, right?
She shouldn't be. But no, we're not saying this in a negative way, but let's hope we get a better deal for her.
Yeah.
She's trying to look for a place nearby. So if you know anybody, आप could strings pull कर सकते हैं.
Yeah,
Huh?
I'll-
Nearby means anywhere, because just not Ambernath. Literally, I mean,
Goregaon will also work.
of course. After that, what is Goregaon to Bandra, yaar? What are you talking? Really? Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
Oh, we are an NGO. We help our employees. In the meantime, let's see the next one. BJP-led Mahayuti swept Mumbai with 118 seats, ending 3 decades of the Thackeray dominance. BJP alone won 90, with Shinde's Shiv Sena taking 28. But if you add Shinde's 28 to UBT, then their figures are pretty decent.
Dude, you can take all political parties, put them in the same team, and you'll have 227. It's as simple as that. Like, no one really gives a fuck. Just say, Kalyan mein I read that.
No, I'm saying it's a divide and rule situation also, no? Because you look at municipality, which was the complete controlled Shiv Sena ka stronghold. Nobody thought there's a chance of even entering it. Forget winning seats. And once you fracture them and divide them, you already sort of
The Marathi votes get split.
Now that's gone. Who can have that? You're not going to have that one thing. Shiv Sena is our party. Shiv Sena has 2 parties. One party.
No,
is
there's 3
BJP.
Marathi Manos get to choose between 3 people.
And MNS, and on top of that, Shiv Sena is with alliance with UBTs with other people. So now all your as
And
a
also,
voter-
if you're a Uddhav Thackeray hater, then there's also a subcategory in BJP. It's called this guy Nitesh Rane. So he's another guy. So Marathi votes are actually getting split into 4 categories,
yeah.
and all of them are like. And it's a great time to be a BJP guy, figuring out things.
whether
in
you
Mumbai.
like them or not, they've sorted out the opposition at the moment.
Yeah, 100%.
That's for sure.
That's like pure 1950s, 1960s.
No, it's very British for me. It's very British. And the divide and rule. Wherever you go, wherever there's a stronghold, we've only things left are Tamil Nadu and West Bengal really out of the big states. Everywhere else, they've managed to find their lane.
And the sad part is, dude, people really pay a lot of money. I mean, yeah, तुम्हारा 10% DDX कटता रहेगा अभी. जो भी whatever you're getting paid. Everyone in this room is getting, whatever that amount of money. Like whatever amount of money मेरे account में कुछ भी पैसा आता है, I immediately transfer 32% of that amount to my secondary account. Because that is the amount of tax money I put up. So much money I'm putting up, and still, भाई, when I'm in an auto rickshaw, मैं ऐसा phone निकालता हूँ मेरा, 10 मिनट के लिए scroll करता हूँ. There's a thin layer of dust on my phone.
But how is that is also the environment of Mumbai, no? Beyond, it's not just
That's not the
the
environment of
present
Mumbai, dude.
political
Come
party
on.
that's responsible for that.
Dude, you're a senior citizen. You have seen Mumbai since forever, and this never happened, right?
As a senior citizen, I'm telling you, sir, that dust was always there. We are in the Deccan. The Deccan soil is there, and you can't. I'm not taking the side of the political party. I'm just saying that they've inherited all this. Now, what they're doing about it is different, but the point is that it's already there. It's been there for some time. So the dust factor, boss, you have to migrate.
This office is in Bandra. I want you to walk with me, like not on Carter Road or like any other road. Dude, it's as basic as making basic. Yeah, airport wala jo road hai, when you enter the airport, is like nice and swanky and everything. That did not. Uska kuch problem nahi hua. Like something is going on, right?
You're saying if there are good roads, there can be good roads everywhere.
They can be
That
good
makes
roads.
no sense.
Footpaths, something as big as footpath. Bandra.
Footpath has to be removed because pedestrian doesn't use footpath. See, I speak from a motorist point of view. Now, pedestrians never, they walk on the road and they look at you. It's a dominance. It's like, benchot, ये मेरा road है. तू जा तेरा गाड़ी वहाँ जाओ, pavement पे जाओ.
अरे फुटपाथ का और भाड़े पे लगा दोगे तो तुमको कैसे मिलेगा? So you know, right, मुंबई okay, by the way, just letting you know, यशराज का जो लेन है, ये अंधेरी वेस्ट
You're a
में.
struggler. What are you doing outside Yashraj?
Anyways, yeah. So यशराज का जो लेन था before UK Prime Minister came, that entire spot
Got cleaned, yeah.
got clean, but before it got cleaned, सारा फिल्टर कॉपी में सब लड़के वहीं पे तो खाते थे ना, पराठे, राधे श्याम का पराठा 30 रुपए के 2. Anyways, so this guy basically, there was this local guy, he would allot spaces to hawkers on the footpath.
It's like a corporator doing this? Yeah, local guy, gunda type.
Pick a poison. Anyways, so this guy does.
Is he from the Yash Chopra group? No.
I don't think Yash Raj has
No,
to
Aditya
sublet
Chopra
the
doing a
footpath
podcast.
outside the
Bolo
house.
Vijay, तेरे को वो पॉइंट मिलेगा आप समोसा ओनली
Yeah. So pav bhaji wala was paying 6,000 rupees. The chai wala was paying 3,000 rupees. So
he's like a landlord.
so he collects money
Yeah.
and distributes among departments like fire brigade हो गया, police हो गया,
Oh, अच्छा, this is the setting,
corporate
the
हो
Mandavli with
गया.
everyone to-
So this is like the Mandavli जैसा एक आदमी बैठा है and he does that. So you're actually generating rents out of the footpath places. So when
See, you're saying negative, I'm saying positive. So enterprising guy.
So when a pedestrian looks into your eye and is like mad and everything, it's because he can't. Because जहाँ पे उसको चलना था वो तो sublet कर दिया आपने किसी.
That's true.
And dude, last month only there was this guy, a hawker. He sued his local corporator because the local corporator said कि मैं तेरे को ये spot दूंगा footpath पे illegal वाला to get your shit done, but he did not give. So he
But
actually.
where's the proof?
This is what makes it more ridiculous because he promised him and he breached the promise, even though it was an illegal space that you're not supposed to sublet. It's a footpath, dude, but they just did that.
No,
And
this word footpath only pavement, it should just go from the dictionary. Footpath का मतलब क्या है? Only thing on that is bikes or people selling things. So I don't know. It's got nothing to do with foot and path. But do we have any more, ladies? Oh, we have one more. Okay, let's take a look. And we have Arijit Singh. Okay. Retired from playback singing. Sarji, आपका क्या ख्याल है? I am happy to announce that I am not going to be taking any new assignments. I don't know why he said I'm happy to announce though. ये भी funny है. It's like how you do this over tarif when you're trying to not tarif people. I'm happy to announce that I'm not going to be taking any new assignments as a playback vocalist from now on. As a playback, he'll still do concerts, right? Let's just clarify. He'll still perform. Yeah? Pretend to be Arijit. Arijit? Yes? Okay.
Indian singers don't get paid from production houses, right?
They get from events and
They get from
shows,
events and everything, but you never get paid from.
Yeah, his level, they get paid from everywhere. Yeah. Arijit he can start his own country, and I believe that's what he's trying to do. The rumor is that he wants to stand for elections and all that. He's going through one of those phases where you
become an MP.
नहीं मेरे को और कुछ करना है. A lot of people go through that. You know, you've had success, self-actualization हो गया. You made money. You're a huge name. Probably the biggest name in music at the moment. So it is a point where वो saturate हो जाता है. And he's like, I need more from my life, self-actualization. And so he wants, if it's true. Now we don't know because he won't take the phone.
It's called Govinda route. So he was very hardcore,
Good.
like very
Amitabh
successful
also,
and everything
also.
like
in the
that.
south also.
And then he eventually became member of
MP,
parliament from Vasai Virar.
Yeah.
And
And
sucked really
broke the
bad
world
at it.
record for the only one session attending. Which I think there's one guy in North Korea who was close to that, but he was shot.
Sachin did 3 or 4.
Sachin did more than that, 3, 4, maybe 5 also.
Now Sachin का भी थोड़ा they also utilize Sachin very nicely.
But see, Sachin was a nominee who is put up in the Rajya Sabha as a, so what, you're almost like you're forced to do it, right? So I'll give him that.
No one is supposed to do it, man.
No, in a sense, boss,
Man still got paid.
honor hai, all that is there, but he's not stood for elections. This guy won an election. Govinda's won the election. Yeah. And then he decided to do.
Dude, मेरे यहाँ पे नगर सेवक का इलेक्शन हो रहा है ना, तो दिस गाय गोविंदा भाई he was getting booked by corporators, a former member of parliament जिसके पिक्चर देखने के लिए लोग मारा मारी करते थे सिनेमा हॉल के बाहर, वो तुम्हारे लोकेलिटी में आगे स्टेज पे ऐसा ऐसा नाच रहा है.
This is now.
Now, dude, 3 हफ्ते पहले इलेक्शन के पहले
He should fire his agent यार. और कुछ नहीं मिला तो यार.
मतलब आपको जनरली बुरा लगेगा भाई स्विफ्ट डिजायर में घूम रहा है.
And at one time, biggest star of India.
Biggest star of India, dude. So, I mean, I hope Arjit Singh के साथ ऐसा ना हो. If he's in the same pipeline.
Arjit Singh, no, but it is that. I think it is that, right? He wants to do more with his life. अब ये सोच आ गया मन में. Now you can't change that सोच. The सोच is that I should do more. He's just a nice guy who wants to improve the country. There are people like that, here and there.
I like this because, he's at his prime and he left. So that is the best way to leave because फिर आप अभिजीत बन जाओगे.
Yeah.
अभिजीत आप आदमी तो अच्छे हो.
ऐसा गीत गाओ.
That guy.
ऐसा गीत गाओ.
What is that quote? अभिजीत आपकी आवाज में बहुत सरलता है लेकिन आप आदमी सुअर हो. No, there's a proper subculture.
Abhijit is like Navjot Singh Sidhu. He's got lots of quotes. And there's lots of quotes for and against him also. So, he started a whole
I'm
trend.
glad इनके साथ ये नहीं होने वाला अरिजीत के साथ. He's gonna have a very
See,
low
I don't
profile
know.
life.
These are rumors. Please write in and tell us if you know more than us. And Arijit, if you want to come on the show, please, we will pay for your conveyance. Matlab in Mumbai. I'm not flying him down from, he's in bloody Beijing or something. I'm not flying him down. But I would love to know the truth. But I think India needs new political parties. India needs new people coming to power, new bureaucrats, new judges, just a new generation of people with better sort of humane ideas. And maybe just...
कैसे होगा मतलब so ground level elections तो अभी हो गए थे and I saw this wonderful guy North Indian who speaks impeccable Marathi. वसई विरार से खड़ा हुआ था and he spoke about entire campaign in Marathi Now your whole
But surname is whatever it is.
Gupta, some Gupta Chaube, whatever. ठीक है. And उसको comment section में people are thrashing him, dude, that you're not Marathi enough because your surname is that. I'm like, dude, what else can a person do?
Yeah.
And he had some decent ideas. Ki, I want to fix this part. I want to fix that part. I think he was an INC candidate or some left-leaning candidate, not commie, but in that zone basically. He did some fantastic work, dude, and he hardly got like a couple thousand votes.
BJP took away the right of the right parties. You see, they took away orange. They took away the weapons, they took away the slogans, they took away everything. The poor Hindutva parties don't have anything to do now. They have to reinvent themselves. Sir, you can help the right as well.
ठीक है.
All right, we have one more very important question while we figure out with Arijit Singh what to do. And it is Indigenous Canines March in Republic. Well, that's a camel, but it's indigenous animals. So they're all types, including some humans who should be on four legs.
Bacterian camel.
But while we're going on, the Supreme Court is still after us with the dog issue, etc. Please understand that indigenous canines are different from desi dogs on the road. Indigenous canines are all breeds of India, like the Rajapalam hound, Yeah, so they're all famous. So while there's great pride in them, they're again breeds. So again, it's a class thing. So the dogs who are, specialist dogs, well-bred, etc., as against our indie dogs and desi dogs, I like to call them, who are a mix of all whatever for generations. And they're the ones who are getting the raw deal. We're okay with our breeds and with our indigenous breeds. Yeah, it's a little different. But I wish you would understand that at the end of the day, they're all dogs. If you can't be selective. It's like humans. They're all humans. You can't be selective. I only like these humans. Of course, I also only like certain humans, but you should not be like that. Sarji, aapka comments?
I think...
Indie dogs being there on the Republic Day parade, if the government is supporting indie dogs' lives, then why were there so many issues in Delhi and Mumbai with the dogs? Yeah, like I said, that's the argument they'll give you because it's a breed which is different. And yeah, go on.
There's easy way to every problem and there's hard way to every problem. The easy way is you collect this bunch of street dogs and then you do bad things to them. Like you throw them in a jungle or you do very sinister
Don't even ask. These shelters that are never going to come up.
Very sinister things. Ideal things is basically आप एक 5 years 10 year policy बनाइए where in the first 5 years we'll set up
We have the laws there, the Animal Welfare Board, the ABC rules and all are there. We have to implement them. Implementation is the issue.
Yeah.
Because the government is supposed to help you, state governments are supposed to help you. That's where the mistakes have happened in terms of the performance. If you sterilize the dogs within 2 or 3 generations, there would be much less. Okay, that's not a problem. And humane. Nobody gets hurt. Nobody even asks animal lovers.
Street dog 6 साल 7 साल जिंदा रहता है and it's just gonna mind his own business. Sterilize the dog. I believe that don't even pay anyone to feed them. The feeders are good enough and like
I've never understood the thinking of why feeders are evil. If you have the compassion for animals and you want to feed animals who have nothing, how are you evil? I can't understand how people come there and say, ye mat karo, ye mat karo. I mean,
they think that
do they not understand what is good and what is not good?
They think dogs are like beggars कि आप एक को दोगे तो वो कुत्ता जाके बोलेगा अरे तुम लोग सब लोग आ जाओ.
If it's hygiene issues, I'm always willing to have a conversation about this. Yeah, so we'll find areas. Yeah, we'll make sure it's clean. I mean, we can do all that. That's not a problem. But the aggression with which they attack the animal feeders, especially women, which I have seen and we have rushed to their rescue. I mean, it's like madness. The bully that the human male becomes, ya bene, usko nikalo, and then they start raising their hands and all in certain societies.
And
it's horrible.
It's the worst if you live on rent in a gated community and the
you're treated as a lower person.
So you're like already a subhuman in the housing society. So if you decide to like say feed a roti to a bunch of dogs or anything like that, dude, like irrespective, you are unleashing hell on yourself by, and मेरे को generally feeders के लिए बुरा लगता है because most of the times feeder pay from their own pockets because they have this kind of compassion for them. बेचारा 2-3 हज़ार रुपए में जो भी उसको मिलता है वो is feeding and
no, I have a very simple issue when people they throw this at you about घर पे लेके जाना खुद घर पे लेके जाना. My thing is simple. If I give your wife a biscuit, can I take her home? Because what the hell is your thinking? No, what the hell? I've been saying this from the beginning. I tell all my friends who say, they say the same thing all the time. It's not possible logistically to take all the dogs home. Obviously, you do what you can. Obviously, nobody's Mother Teresa where we just say, take every rupee of mine and we'll save the world. It's not going to be like that. But this is ridiculous thinking.
You don't do much for these fantastic NGOs that are working like for adoption and everything like that.
And always behind the trail.
You would give, I know this organization that does these adopt-a-thons and and everything.
Yeah, yeah,
This person told me that they have a hell getting government grants and permissions to even conduct these adopt-a-thon.
Yeah.
Like the bare minimum thing कि भाई यहाँ पर 100 लोग आने वाले हैं.
And you know,
उसका permission.
adopt-a-thon is not good. Is good not just for the getting a dog a place, but to get people to understand that there's an area, come and see dogs. Get over your fear, understand that there's nothing to worry about, and to be more humane. So that's also that awareness that comes out of having a dog-a-thon is even more important.
These uncles also don't understand the concept of service dogs. Like ये लोग पागल हो जाएंगे अपने बच्चे लोग को भेज रहे हैं US में, where it's mandated. You can't fuck with a service
No,
dog.
you can't.
dude.
And they can enter everywhere.
They can enter
With the
everywhere,
guy. Yeah,
like
yeah.
airports and everything and all that, dude. ये अंकल लोग तो एकदम डर के मारे पिघल जाएंगे भाई. Like
Building uncles are the ones who should be put in shelters. We should make
Totally.
shelters and put
Game.
all the building uncles there with all their problems.
Game.
Yeah, honestly. But Mr. Vishwakarma, thank you very much. I think we have spoken too much. It's been a very long show. Thank you. God bless. Please come back and
Yes,
air
sir,
your
definitely.
frustrations. This is the place to air your frustrations.
yes, definitely.
And next time, no clothes. Like, optional.
I'll let you know. Yeah. I'll convey my messages through your team.
I'm just trying to make India a happy place. Like Rajnish's ashram. Do your HIV/AIDS test and enter. Uske baad, don't worry. Everything is there. Okay. Chalo, have a good therapy session today, Baba.
Thanks,
All
bhai.
the best.
Really appreciate. Yeah.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.